Hi, I am going to share with you guys a Google Drive folder, and I just want to show you kind of how to add your photos to that so that I can get the photos you guys want to display for our two upcoming exhibits. So I'm working on sharing it right now, but when you click on the link in Schoology, it's going to take you here. This is our new Photo Quote Club Google Drive. There's two showcases that are coming out. There is the Late Spring Library Showcase, and then there is the Summer 2019 State Fair. For those of you that entered the State Fair, I will be getting those back to you very shortly. Now keep in mind, I ask that everyone attempts at entering the State Fair, and the rules for the State Fair will be coming up. And I will be posting those to our Schoology page. The priority right now, though, is the Spring 2019 Showcase. And this is where you guys get to pick your favorite, your best, your top photographs, and we put them on display at the Ramsey County Library on Hamlin. So to focus on either one of these, we're going to go into here, and I would like you guys to create new folders with your name on them. So let's say I'm going to add some pictures for the library showcase. We're going to go new folder, and we're going to go last name, first name, and then we're going to hit create. Now, after you've added the photos, there's a couple bits of information I'm going to need about your photograph, and I'd like you to add that in a comment. So, I don't know if I have any random photographs. So let's see what I got. Okay, so we're just going to take this one for now. One of the Wing Yang ones. I assume you guys would use a much better photograph. So we're going to come over here, and we are going to upload this photograph file to directly here. And then in here, I want you to rename it with the photograph's actual title that you would like it called. So let's just say I would have this called favorite word. So this is going to be the photograph title that I will put on the title. If you don't know what title you want yet, go ahead and label it Untitled. And you have multiple untitles, label it Untitled 1, Untitled 2 if you need to. And if you want, you can come up with a title later. The next thing that we will need to do is add a comment. It says highlight an area. So I can highlight the whole picture. And I need a couple bits of information from you. I need the location. And it can be as specific as you want, but make sure you at least have the town and state. So this is Roseville Area High School. Roseville, Minnesota. And I need the date. And this can simply be the month and year. I know a lot of us don't keep exact track of the date. If you want to look it up on your camera or on the picture itself, if you know how to do that, you're more than welcome to. But you can just say something as simple as January 2019. I ask that all photographs have been taken within this school year. So make sure that if you are pulling things from the summer, that you're not going past or earlier than June 2018. So all these photos should be taken between June 2018 and May or 2019. So we're going to leave that comment there. If you want to add the title here too, you can, but that is up to you. So title, location, school, date, comment, and that way I know what I'm going to label these pictures and I can get it done correctly. I will spell things the way you spell them here, so make sure you're spelling them properly. And that's all you need to do. For the library showcase, I ask that you guys pick about 5 photographs. I can't guarantee that I will be able to fit all 5 of everyone's photographs in, with former Photo 2 and spring Photo 2 students, as well as 3 and 4 having priority. But I will for sure get at least 1 photograph for everyone that submits. And all the excess we are planning on putting onto a digital projection. So potentially every photograph will be able to be showcased. Final photographs will be approved by me and the library, but I haven't had anyone submit anything that doesn't get approved. As far as the state fair photos go, keep a lookout, start thinking about what you might want to submit, and I will have the rules for that posted shortly. Thank you, guys.